Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Firestick to TV with HDMI. Let's go. Open TV settings. Turn on HDMI CEC. Connect the Firestick to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. Switch the source to the HDMI Firestick. Open Settings. Display and Sounds. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open Equipment Control. Manage Equipment. TV. Change TV. Follow the on-screen instructions. Done. That's it. Now you know how to connect Firestick to TV with HDMI. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.